Ronaldo is the most successful footballer of the time. He won 5 Ballon d'Or awards, the most by European player, and is all-time leading scorer for both in Portugal national team and Real Madrid. Ronaldo was born in Portugal on 5 February 1985. He grew up in sharing a room with his three siblings. His father was municipal gardener and his mother was a cook. Ronaldo shows a talent of football from an early age and he began playing for Android, a local club, when he was 8 years old in 1997. Ronaldo went to trial with Sporting CP, a major club in Portugal, and he impressed the coaches so much. They signed him for fee 15 pounds. Ronaldo quickly rose through the ranks of Sporting and he made his first team debut in 2002. In 2003, Ronaldo was signed by Manchester United for 12 billions. He quickly became one of the best players in Premier League and he helped United win 3 leagues titles, one Champions League title and FIFA Club World Cup. In 2009, Ronaldo moved to Real Madrid for world record fee of 80 millions. He continued to be one of the best players in the world at Real Madrid and he helped the club win 2 leagues titles, 4 Champions League titles and 2 Copa del titles. In 2018, Ronaldo moved to Juventus for fee 100 millions. He was continued to score goals at the prolific rate with Juventus and helped the club win 2 series and titles, 2 Copa Italy titles. Ronaldo has successful international player. He has won 116 caps for Portugal and he is the country's all-time leading scorer with 117 goals. He helped Portugal win Euro 2016 title and he has named the player of the tournament. Ronaldo is a global icon and he is the one of the most popular athletes in the world. He is known for dedication to fitness and his incredible work ethic. He is also a physicist and he has donated millions of dollars to charity. Ronaldo's life story is one of inspiration. He came from humble beginning, but he worked hard and achieved great things. He is a role model for young people all over the world and shows that everything is possible if you mind to do it.
Bensound.com